This beautifully maintained, like new home, built in 2020, offers the ease of one-level, patio-style living with no association fees. Enjoy the charm of newer, maintenance-free white picket fencing enclosing the backyard, complete with a spacious patio and access from the living room through a patio door topped with a custom transom window. Inside, you'll find 9 ceilings, an open floor plan, and quality finishes throughout, including a cozy stone surround gas fireplace and custom painted 3-panel doors. The kitchen shines with an abundance of custom knotty alder cabinets, soft close drawers, a large center island, recessed lighting, and stainless steel appliances including a fridge, stove, microwave, and dishwasher. This home offers 2 bedrooms and a walk-through 3/4 bathroom with a beautifully tiled custom shower surround and built-in seat, giving you the feel of a private ensuite without the hassle of cleaning an extra bath. Additional highlights include a 30x22 insulated triple garage, concrete driveway, in-ground sprinklers, and low-maintenance vinyl siding.